The bird is in the tree. Mika is in the house. We are in the garden. Pippi is on the pillow. A cup is on the table. The bird is on the branch. We are at the river. Mika is at home. Pippi is at the window. Pippi is with Mika. Mika is with Pippi. I am with my friend. It is in the box. It is on the box. It is at the box. The bird is in the tree. A cup is on the table. We are at the river. Pippi is with Mika. Mika is in the house. Pippi is on the branch.